Congratulations! By completing this course, you've unleashed the power of generative AI to transform customer support. Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of how generative AI can transform customer support, you'll find numerous opportunities to expand your learning and apply your newly learned skills in real-world scenarios. Before moving ahead, let's recap the key concepts you learned throughout this course. You begin by gaining a foundational understanding of how generative AI can streamline various processes in customer support, such as managing tickets, creating FAQs and knowledge bases, and training support agents. You also discovered popular generative AI tools used in customer support. These tools can provide valuable insights through predictive analysis, sentiment analysis, and data-driven decision-making. Furthermore, you delved into the crucial aspect of prompt engineering, discovering how to craft effective prompts for specific use cases in customer support, leading to tailored responses and improved customer interactions. Next, you developed practical skills in utilizing generative AI to enhance customer support functions. You built basic chatbots to handle product inquiries efficiently, delivering automated responses that enhance customer interactions. You learned to perform sentiment analysis using generative AI to better understand customer emotions and feedback, improving service quality. Additionally, you recognized the potential of generative AI in providing multilingual support and expanding service accessibility. You learned to integrate generative AI into customer support workflows, develop standard operating procedures or SOPs, and leveraged AI for proactive support by analyzing customer behavior to anticipate and address issues early. Emphasis was placed on the ethical and responsible use of generative AI, ensuring you understood its limitations and best practices to maintain customer trust. Lastly, you focused on how generative AI can optimize the roles of customer support managers and executives. You learned to generate detailed reports and extract critical information from documents such as contracts, emails, and invoices, improving efficiency and decision-making. This course included hands-on labs and a final project. In the labs, you gained practical experience with generative AI tools for customer support. You created FAQs, user guides, and a question-answering chatbot to streamline customer interactions. You learned to perform sentiment analysis, manage problems proactively, and derive insights through data analysis using AI to enhance service quality and improve decision-making. The final project provided an opportunity to apply the knowledge acquired during the course, allowing you to analyze real-world scenarios and showcase the key concepts and skills you learned. Remember to go through the glossary at the end of the course to review the key terms discussed and their definitions. Thank you for sharing this learning journey with us. As a next step, we encourage you to continue learning by exploring other AI and generative AI courses from IBM and applying your new skills. All the best.